How to add your interests to your profile on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here and then click the 3 points, and once you're here click edit profile and then scroll down, click interests, and here we'll find interests. Click on it. Now just type here your interests. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.